Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up shipping rates on Shopify. First of all, open your Shopify admin page, and from there all you have to do is click on settings on the bottom left corner. This page will open. Select shipping and delivery. From here you will see custom shipping rates. You have to click on create a new profile from here. Now you can add a shipping zone by clicking on add shipping zone, and you can select any zone name. For example, if you want to ship it to United Kingdom, I will just type United Kingdom. I have to search for United Kingdom once again. Select United Kingdom, click on done. Now, let's say you're charging $5 more for United Kingdom. What you have to do is click on add rate. You can use flat rate as you want, or you can use carrier or app to calculate. I will use flat rate, custom rate. I will select custom, name the rate, and I will select $5 and I will click on done. Now my shipping zone of United Kingdom has been set it up. If you want to select another shipping zone, then you can do the same for United Arab Emirates, for Australia, and whatever shipping rates you're getting, you have to type in your shipping rates, and that's how you can set up shipping rates on Shopify. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.